Here we go. We got the Silver Bullet. He's going to take it on right now to 35. 12 going up to, oh, 7's taking it right to 9 right away. Says, I got you, buddy. Silver Bullet's getting twisted around. 9's in the middle. Oh, I would not want to be a drive passenger in that car. Silver Bullet's coming after you. Look at, oh, he missed him. Missed him. Ooh, 35 went right into the Silver Bullet. There's no mercy. Is that 53, thank you. Oh, 53, oh, 7 just took 53 to the wall. They're all backing up right here. Silver Bullet said, hey, I want some of that too. Looks like 53, 55. But no. Come on, 53, let's get that sucker started, baby. Silver Bullet's trying to get it going. Come on, Silver Bullet. 9, he's just lining them up. He's ready for another run at 7. Oh, he takes 2 for 1. Whoa. You got the 170, what was that, 112 over there. He's just hanging out watching the show. He's trying to get it going, but hopefully he will. We'll see what happens. The 09 car, he's backing up. He's lining them up. Oh, you're going to turn around and take a hit. Silver Bullet's going after 7 again. Seven's kind of caught up there with 55, 53. Oh, 9 just took it to the bullet right there, boy. Whoa, that was a nice hit. And another one. He is trying to put him out of commission, I'll tell you. He's going to go for it again, isn't he? Oh, yeah. Get out of there, Silver Bullet. Oh, what a hit. Oh, my goodness. Wow. 09's either going to hurt his car, he's going to blow up Silver Bullet trying to get away. There he goes. Oh, another hit. All 3 felt that one. All 3 of them felt that one. 9 is not taking any prisoner. He wants this thing. 9 wants this thing pretty bad. Oh. The 7, he's just sitting there going, I got to get out, but I can't. Somebody help me. Oh, wait, all cars stop. All cars stop. So far, so good. Let's give them a round of applause, guys. That's great so far. Woo! Right on. Where'd you go? So those two, him and first, right?